Hi, my name is Forest Elephant, and this is Meemoo. I've been working on this project for the past year, and the goal is to make hackable, creative web apps. One of the things that really got me into digital creativity was stop-motion animation. So that's been some of the first tools that I've been making. The most simple stop-motion animation application would be just these two modules. Then you connect them together with a wire. The wire represents where the data is sent. And you instantly have something that you can share online. So there are different kinds of modules that I've already built in. This also illustrates how easy it can be to change how an application works. So let's disconnect this wire and connect it up as a tracing image. So now, instead of an application for making an animation and drawing on each frame, we have an application for rotoscoping by changing where one wire is connected. Sharing online is very easy. Each of these boxes that you see is an HTML page that has some JavaScript that defines what the inputs are and what it does with those inputs, and then what kind of output it sends. Because the modules are programmed with HTML and JavaScript, you have the most used language and the most understood user interface system available, so it becomes very accessible for people to make their own modules. So the source code for any graph is fairly simple, and you can copy the source code and easily share it on a forum. But what I would like help with is to create a community site, especially for sharing Meemoo applications and forking them and rewiring them and hacking them. I wouldn't have been able to make this tool without the open source JavaScript community. Basically, I want to create something that's like an app store, a place where you can try these creative applications online, but also like GitHub, where you can fork it, remix and rewire these applications and make it your own. Also, I think that the webness of this project is extremely high because all of the modules are web pages, and the way that they communicate is like hyperlinking, but because you can actually send media from one page to another within the same page, within the same application. I think it definitely takes webness to a new level.